Kiddo's Kingdom.
Hey kids, are you ready to become shape detectives? We're going on a fun adventure to explore the world of shapes. Can you find the squares, circles, triangle and rectangles? Let's learn to recognize and match these cool shapes. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so you don't miss any new video and get notification. Oval heart, circle, squares, star, rhombus, cloud, arrow, parallelogram, triangle. I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time.